So my pathway started with my A-levels. I was doing them in Downpatrick, so I was doing biology, sociology, and then with SERC Downpatrick I was doing engineering part-time. And then from there I decided to pursue engineering full-time and I found mechatronic engineering had apprenticeships, so I applied and came here. I enjoy how things work, seeing how they work and putting them back together. My dad and my granda were both engineers, so I grew up very much surrounded by that as a job anyway. And my dad was always bringing things home from work, so I was allowed to tinker with a lot of different machines from a good young age. I do a bit of everything. At the minute I've been learning how to program PLCs, but I also do a lot of work with actually building the machines themselves. So I work with the motors involved and turning gears, and I suppose at the minute I'm learning how to program PLCs, but mostly I would be working with more mechanical stuff. I build the machines that we would sell, and I haven't got anything too big at the minute, but I work on the smaller machines because I'm an apprentice and they're nice to me. So I would work with motors, and a day in the life of an apprentice at Sepha involves many different job roles. Just yesterday I was working on PLCs and spares for machines that get sent out to customers, so that if anything goes wrong with their machine, when we send an engineer to fix it, they already have all the parts available that they need. So when I was programming the PLC, I was hooking it up to an easy blister, which is what it was going to go with, and I was trying to make sure that it all worked right. Well, I don't have specific goals, but I do want to continue learning and working in engineering to see how it evolves and changes over time. It's the beautiful thing about engineering is that you'll never know everything there is to know about it. I would advise girls who want to get into engineering to just go for it. You'll never know whether or not you'll enjoy it until you try it, and I think that engineering is so broad, there's always something for someone.